Hey you guys, so today me and my husband were out here in downtown Fresno to see this monument, Hmong monument, and I'll show you guys around so you guys can read around and learn a little bit more about the Hmong people. Every time when I know that there's something with like Hmong monument, Hmong events, Hmong exhibit, anything, I want to check it out. I've been in Fresno for about a year now, and I have known about this monument for a while, but I have not checked it out. I've been around this area, but I have not stopped here to take a look, to read. So I'm here and let's check it out together, okay? So on this side, it features the names. Thank you, Table Mountain. They probably were one of the big sponsors. Dedicated to the Lao and Hmong soldiers who fought for us. Okay. Baby, what are the crossing streets here if someone wanted to come see it? Vanessa and Tulare. Okay, so Vanessa and Tulare is downtown what?
Fresno Court.
Fresno Court. Downtown Fresno Court, okay? If I'm going way too fast, feel free to pause my video so you guys could get more information. And I think on the two last sides, oh, there's another side. It's only the two corners, this corner and this corner on this side that doesn't have anything, but front and back do have something, okay? So this is a statue of two Hmong soldiers helping an American soldier. And don't mind my husband in the back, he's talking to some of his clients. And now let me just show you guys another view with everything. I was up here zooming up at the monument. I wanted to show you guys the whole thing with everything, okay? Okay, you guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.